Welcome back. Just coming back to our little small account here. Let's see. If you haven't been paying attention, it's been a pretty crazy week, and things are kind of dipping down at the moment, at least for this portfolio. Got shaken out of several things. Some of them at a profit, a couple of them not, but let's see. So, if you remember, I was kind of following Felix and Friends, the YouTube channel Felix and Friends, and he put out a video today talking about a few, mostly AI and energy type of things. This is one of them, TerraWolf, ticker symbol WULF, and it's actually like a crypto mining, but they're getting into AI, from what he said. Anyway, they had really good breakout with nice volume there, and been going mostly up since then. Down the past couple of days, but pretty low volume on the downturn. So I kind of like the look of this. Generally upward trend, but it's kind of a pullback, so that's probably a good time to get in. Let's see. Yep, that's the one. So I have a little over $800. Probably just do that. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. There's that. I will. Let's look at that again. See if. Now they have support way out here. That's quite a pullback. I'm going to put my stop loss about here, actually. Well, yeah, I think if it gets down to here again, that's going to be below the 50-day. So I'll put about 977. Sell. Stop. Oops. You. Okay. Next one. Energy fuels. A bunch of mostly uranium, some other like rare earth minerals mining, but like I said, mostly uranium. So it's kind of an energy play. Let's see if trade vision. Okay, support and resistance. It's about $20 right now. Thanks. for use. No. Okay. Bear with me. No shares. That's good. It's a really tight bid-ask spread. That's very good. So I'll just do a market order. And let's see what's 6. Yeah, 6 shares would be good for me, I think. Good. All right. So now, what did we say? Is this are the supports down here? That's yeah. I'll just do that though. It's quite a pullback, but 1291 would be good for that. Okay. And this one, another one Felix mentioned, it's actually an ETF or a fund trading in uranium or uranium companies, mining and refining companies that deal in uranium. So it's more of a diversified play in that sector. So it's generally on an uptrend. Let me see. Okay. We're actually down closer to the support. I like this. Let's do yeah, so if I bought now and put the stop loss around 46 there, I think that would be good. URA. Shares. Let me actually go ahead and get 3. Now, to be honest, I like this one a bit more, so I'll go a little heavier on this one. That's good. Done. And I'll just go ahead and set my stop right now. What did I say, 46? Yeah, it bounced off about there. And that's below the support they show here, which is, from what I understand, that's where the market makers will step in and start buying. So it's like a pretty hard floor and has to go pretty hard to break through that. So if I'm below that, about 46.25 ish. $46.23, all 4 shares. Yes, I know. actually still have quite a bit left. Another one Felix mentioned today is actually critical metals, which we just got stopped out on at a locked in some profit. So I don't know if I want to just turn right around and get back in. Let me see. The support's way down here. Jeez. Maybe I should just let that go. But I would like. So a couple of them of our previous ones were actually up significantly. Copen and Toyo. Let's see. Copen, currently it's at 283. Bought at 352. And currently up about 14%. They have the support way down here, but since we're up, I want to actually lock in some of that. So I'm going to push that up to about there. It's not much of a gain, but at least that'll lock in a gain. And it's a little tighter than I usually like to do, but cut out some of the risk involved with this. So let's see. Copen. Let's just do that. Done. All right, and let's look at Toyo as well. So I have that open here. Oh, bought Toyo at 676. Let's see. No. Insufficient open interest to calculate support and resistance. Okay. And again, if I moved up about here, like 687 or so, that's tighter than I would like to do, but we can lock in a little bit of gain. Instead of just leaving it hanging out like that. So yeah. Bought at 676. So I'll just move it up, and if it hits, then that's fine. And we'll just move on. So let's see. Done. Right. I think I'll just keep some back for next time. That's it for today. Probably revisit this in about a week and see how it's going. Thanks for tuning in. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh!